Hey everybody, welcome to another tutorial video. I hope you're all doing well, and in this video I'll be explaining to you guys how you can sleep in Skyrim, which you should already know, but if you don't, this is how you do it. Sleeping in Skyrim is, and before I start, please excuse me for using screenshots. I'm doing this to save space, but yeah, bear with me on that one. Sleeping is useful in Skyrim for several reasons, one of which is that you get different buffs depending on how long you sleep. I think sleeping less than 8 hours will give you the rested buff, and more than 8 or 8 will give you well rested. This pretty much just increases your EXP gain, so it is quite useful if you're trying to level your character and make sure that you sleep regularly. But yeah, you can only use beds which are not owned, which is pretty much beds in dungeons and in inns and in your own houses. So make sure that you use a bed that is not owned. I mean, you cannot use one that isn't. So yeah, find one that isn't owned and you can sleep in it. You just click on it, activate it by using E if you're on PC, or whichever button is equivalent for consoles. And once you do, the standard wait menu will appear. This is the same wait menu that appears when you press T or whichever button to actually wait. And it is the same functionally. You just choose or move the slider to the amount of hours that you actually want to use and or to rest, and once you confirm it, time will start ticking off. 1 second is 1 hour in game, so after you rest you will wake up at the bed and time will have passed and you will get the buff. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.